Robots, the future of the robots, and how will robots change the world? In 2030, robots could exploring alien worlds and performing surgeries from halfway around the globe. Robotics is one of the first point where the robots will be. The future is transportation. Few technologies recently have been as a highly anticipated as autonomous vehicles. So self-driving cars is one of the first robotic experience you will see as well. The next field for the robotic implementation is education. One of the most fascinating education robots is Moxie, developed by Embodied. This educational robot made headlines when it. The third field is industrial applications. A lot of factories are installing robots for the manufacturing and processing of products. This makes the cost of productions less to 30. The fourth point of application of robots is medicine. Healthcare is one of the frontiers of robotics today. Operations can be done miles away from the home city, doctor sitting at the United States and patient examination. Fifth point is exploration. Exploration is not the least, and a lot of other fields are coming inside in future where robotic applications can be implemented. Mars exploration, sea exploration, oxygen exploration, oil exploration are some of the examples where robotics applications can be installed.